Today we will learn the divisibility rules for 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. For example, 5, 2, 3, 2. Now we need to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So let's recall the divisibility rules for 3. We know if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So let's find the sum of the digits. 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So for that, let's recall the divisibility rules for 4. See, the last two digit is 3 and 2. And the number formed by the last two digit is 32. So 32 is divisible by 4. Because 4 times 8 is 32. Therefore, the given number 5, 2, 3, 2 is divisible by both 3 and 4. Therefore, 5, 2, 3, 2 is divisible by 12. This is how we need to check whether the given number is divisible by 12 or not. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.